Oftentimes, people have looked into the sky and wondered the same question for thousands of years. Are we the only ones out there? Well, although I don't have the answer for that, there are many ways in which we've discovered exoplanets. This is a term used to describe any planet that is outside our solar system. Although generally this means an exoplanet that orbits a star, it can sometimes mean that a planet doesn't revolve around a star. This is known as a rogue exoplanet. These often are more difficult to detect as the two most common methods cannot be used. Just like regular planets, exoplanets come in all different sizes. They also come in two different types known as Jovian and terrestrial, which have gaseous and rock atmospheres. According to NASA, they have 5 different methods for finding these exoplanets. The first method is transit, in which a group of scientists measure the brightness of a star repeatedly. Then they look for dips in the star's brightness and use this to determine the size of the exoplanet. NASA has found over 4,000 exoplanets this way, the most out of any other method. Using this method, one can take the information from our solar system and use it to find information on the other ones. The second method is known as radial velocity, in which over 1,000 planets have been discovered this way. As a star's gravity causes the planet to revolve around it, the planet has the same effect on the star, except it's a more minor scale. Using this information, we can base the star's wobble on how many exoplanets and how big they are. The way we see these stars is using a method called the Doppler shift. Although these two methods are the most common, there are 3 other methods that NASA uses to find exoplanets. These methods are gravitational microlensing, astrometry, and direct imagery. Although these methods have been used at times and can be more accurate than the previous 2, it's much harder to find planets this way. One example of a solar system that has exoplanets is TRAPPIST-1, which is about 40 light years away. All of its planets appear to be terrestrial and in between the size of Earth and Mars. Thank you, and yeah.